Alrighty guys, so here we are again. Welcome back to the S-Gas Garage. Today it is snowing, as you guys can see. Snowing. It is cold, but guess what we got for you guys today? We have a header installed for this BMW right behind us. It is a 2004 325i. We want this thing to sound loud. By the way, I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like before and then what it sounds like after. Alrighty guys, so we are ready for this mission. It is cold outside. I got the heat. If you can see up there, I got the heater going on in the garage, and we are about to work on this beast. Guys, this is going to take you a little while. This ain't something you could do in an hour, but we're going to go ahead and get through it. It'll probably take us maybe 1 or 2 days, depending on how much stuff we have to bang out, because I know the header going all the way down to meet the actual muffler, we have to dent in some of the firewall, but it's not going to be too difficult. So let me show you guys how I'm going to take this off. I mean, there's other ways to start, but I'm going to start up here on top of the engine, and then we'll go down to the bottom of the car. Let's roll. Alrighty guys, so the first thing we're going to remove is this windshield washer reservoir and this pump, because as you can see, somewhere in there are the manifold bolts that we have to take off in order to put these headers on. So this is the first thing we're about to take off. Oh no, there it is.
What the heck? I loosened it.
Yeah, you sure did. This is probably, I mean, we did take out the secondary air pump, so there's probably something to do with that. But now guys, check this out. We have a lot more room. The O2 sensors, we're using the primary. The secondary, we're not using. We're going to show you guys how to take that out and where to put it, because we also have to get a tune, because we're going to be using just one O2 sensor, because the other one is for the actual cats that we are not going to be using. Alright guys, so now we have to take off this plate. It has 2, 4, 6, 8 16 millimeter bolts we're about to take out. But guys, we're almost done. Day 2. we're almost done. I gotta go buy 3 studs that I broke because it wouldn't come off, and I got mad and started yanking on it and they bent. So I gotta go get 3 of those, put it back on, and tomorrow y'all hear this bad boy making noise. So guys, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and look at that. That's Gas Garage, baby. We'll be back. Alright, so as y'all can see, there ain't that much room. We already took off one of the O2 sensors, but look, let me see if I can get this camera. Man, the camera don't even fit in there. But guys, it's in there somewhere. And since my daughter's hands are smaller than mine, it's her job to get it done. Alrighty guys, so as y'all can see there, that is the exhaust manifolds. The hardest thing ever to take off. Look at this. Look at that. Let me see if I can't even get the camera in there. But that's where they came off. Really, really difficult spot. But we're about to put these bad boys on. Woohoo! Alright, so this is what came out of them. And that is what's going back in. It's going to look so much nicer. Them things are huge. Alright, so now as you can see, my daughter's down there installing the headers. Look how nice them headers look in there, so shiny. So once we get them all in there, we will show you how they are. I gotta tell you guys, this is a very tedious process. There's like 14 little screws and nuts that go in there. And we didn't have a lot of room to take out the exhaust manifolds, but putting the headers back in, we had plenty of room. Alright, let's see. We definitely need to get that muffler off. It sounds too quiet. We gotta let it warm up and then we'll rest.
It didn't even sound loud at all.
It sounds normal.
Okay.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, so the exhaust is on. It was not an easy task, but we got it done. It took us about 3 days. We had to get some extra bolts and stuff that we broke off of the manifold, so that took a little while to get. We went to a few different hardware stores to find them, but finally it's on. Guys, thanks to Flashark Racing, it sounds pretty different. Not as loud as we wanted it to. So guys, if you want to send out the rest of the exhaust, we will install it. Well guys, have a blessed one. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and follow for more. I think we're painting it next. So have a blessed one.